Welcome back, Tigers, to another assembly, but this isn't just any assembly. This is your homecoming assembly. In case you forgot who I was already, I'm your host and commissioner of assemblies, Matisse, and today is a big one. Your royal court is here. It is finally happening. So why don't we take the time to meet these beautiful people from our lovely school, and let's introduce them, shall we?
Freshman Royal Tiger, Colin, is being escorted by Ellie. He has lived in South Pass for 9 years, since preschool, having attended Monterey Hills Elementary School and South Pasadena Middle School. He participates in school basketball, he's a club member and officer, and spends his time volunteering. His favorite song is No Role Models by J. Cole, and his favorite movie is Cars. His favorite farm animal is a goat, because it reminds him of himself. If he had 20 seconds to address the student body, he would say, "Hi, class of 2024. Thank you so much for voting me to be your Royal Tiger this year. I hope to uphold the ideals of SPHS and bring pride to the freshman class." Sophomore Royal Tiger, Aria, is being escorted by Isabel. She has lived in South Pass her whole life, having attended Monterey Hills Elementary School and South Pasadena Middle School. She enjoys participating in ballet and jiu-jitsu. In her free time, she indulges in reading overly sentimental books and jamming out to music with her sister. If she won the lottery, she would buy her mom a beach house and donate funds to alleviate war-ravaged countries in Yemen. If she had 20 seconds to address the student body, she would say, "Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity where I find my voice and represent the class. You've given me an honor that I will cherish for a long time." Junior Royal Tiger, Kevin, is being escorted by Timothy. He has lived in South Pass for 3 years, attending Roosevelt Elementary and South Pasadena Middle School. He participates in badminton, coding club, and science club. His favorite movie is Forrest Gump, and his favorite place is Taiwan. His perfect day would be one in which College Board emails him that all AP exams are canceled. If he had 20 seconds to address the student body, he would say, "Keep up the hard work. We only have a few weeks left of school, so just hang in there and study hard for your finals. Cherish your time in high school because it goes faster than you realize." Senior Royal Tiger, Kayla, is being escorted by Kira. She has lived in South Pass for 17 years, her whole life, having attended Arroyo Vista Elementary School and South Pasadena Middle School. She participates in dance, drama, is the president of 3 clubs, and is a tassel teacher. Her favorite movie is Star Wars, her favorite musician is Taylor Swift, and her favorite place is New York City. If she won the lottery, she would put some of it into her family's savings account so they can travel the world, and then donate most of it to charities such as the Trevor Project and the Special Olympics, and organizations that fight racial inequality such as Stop Asian Hate and Black Lives Matter. Her favorite farm animal is a sheep because she was born in the year of the sheep in the Chinese zodiac and thinks baby sheep are super fluffy and cute. If she had 20 seconds to address the student body, she would say to the seniors, "I know we didn't get to enjoy many of the fun parts of senior year, but we are going to have the best time this summer and beyond high school." Senior Royal Tiger, Micah, is being escorted by Macy. He has lived in South Pass for 7 years, having attended Monterey Hills Elementary School and South Pasadena Middle School. He participates in Eagle Scouts, football, basketball, and is a Skills USA state officer. He enjoys listening to music, playing video games, and selling lollipops. His favorite song is Diamonds Dancing by Young Thug, Travis Scott, and Gunna, and his favorite movie is Elf. If Micah won the lottery, he would pay for college in advance because he doesn't want any debt. His favorite farm animal is a horse because he thinks they are graceful, strong, and full of energy. Also, his zodiac is the horse. If he had 20 seconds to address the student body, he would tell them to live their lives worthy of their calling and to wake up each day and be thankful for life. Also, he would tell them to work until their bank account looks like their phone number. Senior Royal Tiger, Tinali, is being escorted by Sean. She has lived in South Pass for 9 years, since the 3rd grade, having attended Arroyo Vista Elementary School and South Pasadena Middle School. She participates in volleyball, drama, and is a radio intern at the Boyle Heights Arts Conservatory. Her favorite movie is Cold War, which she clarifies is a tragic love story, not a Cold War documentary, and her favorite song is Don't Dream It's Over by Crowded House. If she won the lottery, she would put aside enough money to pay for college, go on a trip to New Zealand, buy a house for her mom, and donate a portion to programs supporting BIPOC youth pursuing the arts. If she had 20 seconds to address the student body, she would remind them to be kind to themselves, kind to others, and remember that your self-worth is not determined by the opinions of people who do not know you on a personal level.
Well, that was great. They all seem like a swaggy type of individuals, but why don't we actually get to know these people truly in a totally professional interview done by yours truly? Question 1. Knowing that this is going to be farm themed, will you be dressing up in a furry costume if you win the Royal Court? And if so, which one?
Maybe I have a cow onesie at home, so I'm still debating on it.
Of course not.
I'm going with no. It's hard to put me in a flannel anyway, so this is about as country or farm themed as I'm gonna get.
Definitely I'll be dressing up in a furry costume. I gotta one up my game because I know my other competitors are gonna go out there and they're gonna wear their furry game, so I gotta wear my furry game too.
I will not, but props to anyone who does.
Question 2. What is a secret talent that you wish you had?
One talent I wish I had is to be able to fly. That's not exactly a talent, but being able to fly is pretty cool.
Photographic memory, because then I can memorize all of Mr. Valcourse's notes.
I wish I had photographic memory because then I never had to spend any time studying ever again.
The secret talent I wish I had was the ability to pick up languages really easy. I love traveling and I just took the AP French test and it would have been helpful if I was fluent.
Dang, a secret talent I wish I had probably would be like to farm money trees because who doesn't want free cash?
I wish I could juggle.
Question 3. What came first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken would have to come first because what would lay the egg?
The egg, because the egg was the first being that had this genetic mutation that made it a chicken.
The chicken because where did the egg come from?
The egg probably came first because there was probably some sort of genetic mutation in the embryo.
Probably the chicken, right? Because the chicken has to lay the egg and the egg cracks and forms the baby chicken.
The chicken because chickens are cuter.
Question number 4. If you could be any type of restaurant bread, which one would you be?
I would be a baguette because first of all, baguettes are pretty cool, and also I really love French people.
Croutons, because they make the salad taste better.
I would be Olive Garden breadsticks because I'm long and skinny.
I would definitely be the bread from Fiore. It's so good.
Ooh, definitely the white bread, and they serve with the olive oil and the vinegar. No, that right there is game over. Yeah, definitely that one.
I would be Cheesecake Factory bread because there's such a wide variety.
Question 5. If you win the Royal Court, what would be 3 words that you'd like to say to the entire school? 3 words, please.
3 words that I would say to my class to thank them is you are cool, because you're all pretty cool.
Thanks a lot.
I don't know.
Watch Macbeth tonight.
Go Tigers, period. Go Tigers, period.
My 3 words are go get vaxxed.
Question 6. Well, as you all heard, there's a game tonight for our basketball team, Let's Go Tigers, against possibly one of the worst teams in the history of basketball, La Flippin' Kenyatta, which sadly we lost to in our soccer game last week. Do you think that our team stands a chance against them tonight? And if so, why?
I think we're going to do pretty well. Our JV team beat their JV team by like 16, so I think we're going to do good.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not very involved in basketball politics, but I have confidence in them.
Yeah, of course. I mean, we have all the best players and La Cañada, I don't even know where that is, to be honest.
Of course. South Pass Tigers are the best. We got this one.
Man, why the tone? You should be asking them that question. We're gonna beat them all day. They gotta ask themselves, do they stand a chance against us?
Yes, because South Pass is the best.
And my final question for you today is, why should you vote for me? I mean, why should we vote for you?
I think people should vote for me because I would really like to wear a crown instead of a golden cowboy hat.
You should vote for me because I'm a bubbly guy. I'm an extrovert. I love the Tigers. I'm a loyal Tiger. I'm humble and I'm grateful to be here. And I just love your vote. So please support me.
Everyone should vote for me if they like cowboy boots.
That's an amazing court. Hi guys, it's Ava, your Commissioner of Spirit, and I have something super exciting to tell you. Starting right now, you can vote between our 3 senior Royal Tigers to vote for our senior most Royal Tiger, who will be crowned and presented at the homecoming picnic later today. So place your votes at the link here, or at the link in the SPHS ASB bio. And you have starting now until the picnic to place your votes. Here, why don't you place your vote right now? Go ahead, I'll wait. Go ahead. Okay, thank you guys so much. I hope to see you at the picnic.
I'm Jenna. I'm a senior on varsity basketball.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a senior and I'm on varsity girls basketball.
My name is Tyler. I'm a senior and I'm on varsity basketball. What's up, y'all? I'm Chase and I'm a senior and I'm on the varsity basketball team.
With less COVID restrictions, we've been able to practice in the gym every day, which has allowed us to more effectively prepare for games and build team chemistry, so that's been really good.
I think our season is definitely more enjoyable now that we're inside and not in the heat. I like that the COVID restrictions are getting lesser and lesser because it means more fans can show up to the games.
Season is great. Our basketball team has been able to play at other schools. We are able to have people in the gym and watch us, so it's not just people on the bench rooting for you, but we actually have parents coming in to support us, so it's really nice.
So it was a little bit tough at first because we have a lot of transfers and we didn't really all know each other, so it was kind of tough bonding, and usually we have a whole lot more time to bond and stuff and play and get through everything. But now it's kind of the second half of the season, we're all we already know what we have to do, so I mean it's pretty good right now. Having a bunch of fans there definitely brings our energy up and makes it more electric and more fun to play. So.
And in general, our season has been going pretty great. We're undefeated in league so far and looking to close that out in the next couple weeks.
But overall, it's been really great, and I'm really excited to continue and finish strong.
Yes, I'm super excited for the game. Hopefully we're able to close out our league champs. It's one of our last big obstacles. And to my teammates, I would just say I'm super proud of them, and I'm proud of how far we've come.
So our game against La Cañada is this Friday, and I'm really excited only because they're a really good opponent, I guess, for us to really challenge ourselves, but we always see that we do have a chance of winning, and so we're really excited to do that. I think as a team we're bonded really well, and so we're pretty confident that we're going to work together, and our chemistry off court and on the court is going to be really good. So I'm really excited because I really think we have a chance of winning and becoming league champions.
We're ready for Friday and we're gonna win, so I need all of y'all South Pass fans to pull up and let's get live. Definitely ready for the game. I think we're all locked in. South Pass, pull up, show some love. Let's beat La Cañada.
Hi SPHS, it's Katie. Today is the long-awaited class office election day. Voting is open now and the link can be found on the SPHS ASB website. Information about each candidate can be found on your grades corresponding Google Classroom, and freshmen through juniors can vote in this election. Voting closes at 11:59 p.m. And happy voting, everyone.
Now, listen. We know that it's May and all, but you know what? It's better late than never. So why don't our cohorts A, B, and yes, UCs too, come on over to South Pasadena right after school at 3 o'clock and hang out at our homecoming picnic. Well, I hope to see you guys all here right after school at 3 o'clock. Remember that, at the picnic. And I hope you guys enjoyed our assembly hosted by ASB. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, peace.